In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to install the Portalink AnyOrder app in your Shopify store. The great news is that it only takes a few minutes and won't cost you a cent. So, let's get started. We'll go to the Shopify App Store and search for Portalink AnyOrder. Now that we've found the app, we simply click the Install button on the App Store listing. We've now been redirected to our Shopify admin page, where we can see the app installation details for Portalink AnyOrder. After reviewing the permissions, we'll click Install and Continue. Next, we'll select our plan. We suggest you choose POC plan, which allows you to only pay on consumption. In other words, you will not be charged unless you export orders to Shopify Drafts. POC also stands for Proof of Concept, because this plan is the perfect way to start testing offline order automation in a safe sandbox environment. So, we'll click Confirm. Now, choose your preferred payment method for future transactions, then click Approve for authorization. Once again, you will not be charged until you actually export an order to Shopify Drafts. We're almost done. Now click Complete Setup to finalize the installation. The automated tenant setup will occur at the back end of the Portalink AnyOrder app. Done! We've now installed the Portalink AnyOrder app, and we can start testing the system with actual orders. Before we show you how to do that, let's take a moment to navigate through the Getting Started page, where you'll find helpful instructions about configuring your app before you start testing offline orders. Here's a helpful hint. The Portalink AnyOrder subscription plans allow you to select the plan you need at any given time. Portalink AnyOrder can scale very quickly, literally converting thousands of customers from manual entry to accurate automated processing within just a few weeks. So if the testing ticks all your boxes, start with a small plan and move up to the next plan when ready. If you have a seasonal downturn in volume, you can easily return to a smaller plan at any time you choose.